Hey guys, this is Abir Khan and you're watching Anik H Khan. This is day 27 of our vlog, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the daily life of a vlogger. So lately I've been thinking about the daily vlogs of Shaytards and Rippy. If you haven't know them, I'll paste the link in the description box so you can see who they are. But these are the people who upload daily videos on the internet, like for 3 years now. So it is kind of cool to capture all the moments from their lives, their precious moments of their life, in one video every day. So it is great to see them uploading up stuff on the internet like that, because if you're thinking to make vlogs from now on, from this day, so after a year or so you'll be thinking about that as a great collection of videos which you have done, and in which you can show what have you done in the past year. So it is a great idea to work on. So I was thinking that they are doing great job and they are inspiring a lot of other people as well. So I am inspired by them as well. So I'm sure that a lot of us have been inspired by them. So they are really doing a great job. So I was thinking to give them a tribute kind of thing. So this video belongs to them and all their efforts they put in their videos. And that's it. That's all I was thinking to talk about in this vlog, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. तो जिस तरह नाजरीन मैंने कहा कि हमने बात करनी थी शेटार्ड्स और चार्ल्स रिपी की, जो कि डेली व्लॉग बना रहे हैं। 3 साल हो गए हैं अब उन्हें डेली व्लॉग बनाते हुए। तो बहुत लंबा अरसा है। अपनी वीडियोस बनाएं। मैं हमेशा ये आप लोगों को भी कहता हूँ कि अपनी वीडियोस बनाएं, अपने आप को कैप्चर करें। डोंट बिकम शाय ऑफ कैमरा। आप सामने आए, बात करें, और आप देखें कि आप 1 साल के बाद, 6 महीनों के बाद देखेंगे कि आपको कितना अच्छा फील होता है। और यही कुछ मेरे साथ भी हुआ, तभी मैं डेली व्लॉग्स बना रहा हूँ। तो ये थी छोटी सी एक वीडियो जो कि एक ट्रिब्यूट था शेथार्ड्स और चार्ल्स ट्रिपी को। तो अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। जिंदगी रही तो कल मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह। पीस।